Good morning, all. If you guys remember here, yesterday we did this right here. We could take off the safety pins now, I guess, or the clothes pins, whatever you call them. And dang, that turned out our. Oh, there you go. That was going to stick for me. No, okay. And there it is, man. It's not a bad little pick at all. Let's see what our handle, or our actual hook turned out to be. Right at 1.5 inches. That's exactly what we measured it at. And the handle's right at 4 inches, which is exactly what we measured it at. So our figurings and our measurings and everything else turned out to be just about right on the money. So what we're going to do today is we're going to grind some of this stuff. So y'all take a look at it now, and I'll be back with you in a couple seconds. Alright, these pins are nickel, and as you grind nickel absorbs heat a lot. So what you have to do is you have to grind it and then let it settle for a while. So yeah, so you just have to keep working on it like that. Nice and easy, nice and slow. Alright. We have some more shapage going on there. I wonder how come this daggum thing ain't focusing. Anyway, we're definitely shaping it. And you can see there where I kind of started to camfer the top a little bit there and stuff like that. So I'll be back with you in a second. Alright. We have definitely shaped the pick a little bit more. You see here, that's pretty smooth now. So what we do now is we spend the next few days with the sanding board. And what I do is I just pack a lunch and just spend the next few days out here messing around. That's basically all it's about. It's just having fun. So I'm going to do it this way right here for a minute and see where I'm at. And so we do have a little bit of glue on there. That side right there looks all right. All right, all right. We now have mostly a pick. And what we got to do now is we have to get out the nice easy sanding type of stuff. Then we just spend hours and hours until we're happy. You know, whenever you're happy, I'm happy. And, you know, just mess around a little bit. That is pretty sweet right there. Of course, now later on I'll get a razor blade and I'll trim out that extra glue on the tip. And yeah, it's pretty close to getting done. There it is, man. There's the pick. I hope you guys enjoy it. It's not really too much to build a pick, is it? I mean, I guarantee this thing will pick already. Let's see here. We have a, where's my tension tool at now? My tension tool seems to have disappeared. So we'll use this right here, little springy looking thing. So let's see here. We have a, this is a Mexican-American mixed bread kind of a lock. There's the bidding if you're halfway interested. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins. And let's just see how our just finished pick works. This freaking tension tool ain't really much, I can tell you that right now. I can't feel nothing with this old shitty ass tension tool. I gotta get something that works here, man. Let's see here, what's this right here tension tool? Oh yeah, this is when I was picking those big old, that big old M3 core. Look at that tension tool. My God. There you go. Much better tension tool, always works better. But this pick works well. And we're pretty much done with it, other than fine touches here and fine touches there. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this series. I enjoyed doing the series, really. Leave me some comments, pro or con, whatever, and I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching.